Look at that gas line, $3.79. Good morning, YouTube. You're clear all this way, BB. This video is for Diane to show you what 301 and 54 is looking like going to Zephyrhills. And if anyone else that wants to watch this video, at least you can see all the construction that goes to Dade City.
Ooh, they put in the metal blocks.
And this goes to Zephyrhills. That looks like it might be a roundabout or a light. And that is the Rancho, still thriving, bigger than ever. A lot of people go there now. But it is restricted only for people with the deed, and you can only go on there with someone that's there with a deed. They don't open it no more to the public. And then this is the Forest Lake, where they're building new homes, done construction, and all that is going to be new homes for the seniors. A lot has changed. Yep. This is Chansey and Old Lakeland, and way down there they are building a big warehouse. No more chicken farms. No more anything. Taking away all these trees. Cuban sandwich spot is still there, and really the biggest thing that is the Dollar General, Winn-Dixie, and they put a medical place there. I don't see the sign no more. They took it down.
No, it's right there.
Oh,
Archwell.
And by the school, they repaved everything and made this a 3-lane. And the Amico. I think that's always been an Amico. No?
No.
Yeah, they repaved all this over. Added sidewalks. Zephyrhills is getting sidewalks now. It's growing. Then you got the Mexican restaurant. State Farm's always been there. Wawa at the corner. And then you got the behind Sonny's. Dunkin' Donuts still there. The Shell, the Midas.
I think that was a Radiant back in the day.
The Intersection, the Wawa. You got a car wash down there now, Mr. Car Wash. Zephyrhills is growing. Look at all that traffic now. Oof. Tell you one thing, that Chinese buffet changes names. They're still loyal. You got the VA clinic new. And I think this is Amish Produce. Yep. Amish Produce is still going strong. With gator meat, honey bell, and soursop. And then you got the garbage truck sounds. Guess Zephyrhills going orange now. Then they added all those power poles, those big power poles after the hurricane because of all the houses that they're building.
That's what we're going to get ready to do in there.
Yep, they're cleaning all that out. That's probably apartments going to go in there. Looks like they're going to widen that lane. Because
turn lane.
Right, I call that the mini celebration, but they build more houses there as well. All that they've added after the sleep lab. Yep, all that's new. I call that the mini celebration, but all that is new. That's what it is. They're gonna make a turn lane because they're getting ready to lease those places out.
Mm-hmm.
And everything here is nothing but subdivisions now. And now Florida Medical is Orlando Health. And all behind here are nothing but subdivisions.
And this is only 2 years old, 3 years old.
Yep. Elon Boulevard. Nothing but a traffic and a brand new traffic light. Gas $4.99, $4.29, $5.89, $4.99. Oh no, $4.89, and they got a Culver's.
$4.29.
That's where BB works. Yep, and there goes Sonny's. Got a little stores in front of it. And this road has changed too.
Oh yeah.
Definitely has changed. Go Pin Chasers.
That's been there forever today.
That southern place has been there.
Dice's is gone. Now it's an extra space storage.
Yeah, the trailer park behind the gas station is gone. It's an apartment complex. Pawn Max. Advent Health. They were talking about it in the office about Lakeland.
What about it?
Something about Lakeland.
Orlando Health and Lakeland?
Yep. It's going to be like a big thing.
Mm-hmm.
They added this light here. It's where the Panera.
And Rural King.
Yep. You can't turn left at this light no more. They took the light out by the Taco Bell and literally. And then you got your car wash, your McDonald's, your Longhorn, oil change, Chick-fil-A, everything behind Publix's houses.
Aim it that way, and then I'm gonna.
All houses back there and apartments now. That is crazy. And that place where they got the Longhorn, new McDonald's, that used to be a trailer mobile home park right next to Walmart.
Not anymore.
Nope, not no more. Remember when Whataburger used to be here? Ruby Tuesday's still hanging in there.
I don't see how, but they are.
They're still hanging in there. America's Best now.
Okay. I'll say that never used to be there.
$3.79. I bet you that gas line is packed. Yep, it is. Son of a gun. We ain't getting gas there.
No.
Son of a gun. But we came to Walmart Zephyrhills to the wine and spirits department. So we can make some food. Look at that gas line, $3.79. All right, BB. Why are we here?
I gotta get some whiskey.
Got to get some whiskey.
To make my bourbon chicken.
To make bourbon chicken. And good thing I asked you too.
Yeah.
Because I was like, when you made that bourbon chicken, are you using real alcohol? You were like, yeah.
Yeah.
And you thought you had some.
Yep. Thought I did.
And you didn't.
Well, you know why? I was probably thinking I did because I didn't make any hot toddies over the winter because I didn't get sick.
But that's an old bottle too.
It is. But the older it gets, the better it gets. Ooh.
A lot of these places are smart. But yeah, that's where the old trailer park used to be. Now it's a storage center.
Yeah.
So I got a pound of that. I got my pepperoni. Because you know that's.
I don't want rum.
Can't believe how expensive. In Puerto Rico, man, you used to get these big bottles for like $8 and bring them over. You could bring some money over before they hit you with taxes. Used to be
Right now.
yeah, it used to be cheap and to get the rum from over there is better because it's more stronger.
It is for sure.
But they sure have a lot of alcohol has surely changed. Ooh, Jägermeister. Goldschlager. I'll never forget Goldschlager. Can't remember how old I turned. I was just drinking the shots out of it. I regretted it. I think it took either 4 or 6 shots, boy. Are you looking for like whiskey?
Yeah, there's a certain one I was looking for, but I don't think they have it.
All these margarita drinks. So many tequilas. Remember these little fancy drinks? I think this is all wine here. Oops. Oh, Smirnoff. Cheap vodka. That's the new one, Pink Whitney. Everyone is getting that now, looks like. Yep, I used to have a bottle of that. Patron. Tito's vodka. Negroni cocktails. Gelatin shots. They're making them for you. Black Heart. Were you looking for Jameson? Oh, okay. These are all champagnes. But yeah, we're here. Just let us know, guys. Anything you see that you remember drinking back in the day. Did you find it? other than showing you what Zephyrhills been about, we just wanted to.
Oh, bright.
Not only is it bright, it's muggy.
Yeah, it is getting there.
How much did those bottles cost you, the little ones?
The two of them was $5.53.
Wow.
So I figured there's no sense of getting a big bottle. I don't use it that often. So it is what it is. And they only need a quarter cup, so
And what kind is it?
it's Jameson.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I seen some Jamesons when I was walking down.
Yeah, I seen those.
Said Irish something.
Yeah, it's triple distilled. It tastes better. Better flavoring. Just my opinion.
There goes the backside of the Longhorn. You know you're growing up when you got a Longhorn in your town. And a Chick-fil-A.
Right?
Wow, they got horchata and Sonics now.
Oh, wow.
Wonder how that tastes. The famous Taco Bell. $4.29 unleaded there. You know they gotta be out of gas. Or that price is wrong. It's probably $4.89. Well, thank you for joining us. Just wanted to show you a little bit of Zephyrhills. How much it's grown. I mean, you got a Culver's, Chick-fil-A, Longhorn.
Yeah.
You know you're getting bigger. All they need now is a White Castle.
Yeah, it's not a one-horse town anymore.
And the Starbucks they got. Yep, it's where the trailer park used to be at. Now it's an apartment complex. Got smoke shops. And you got your Wawa. And again, Mr. Car Wash. That is brand new. Now we can get our car washed.